Hi guys, I'm Nayantara Rai reporting for ET Now. This is a big story that we broke on ET Now. I understand from my sources that the world's richest man, Jeff Bezos, and the world's fifth richest man, Mukesh Ambani, are in talks for a deal in India. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Reliance Retail and Amazon are believed to be in talks. It's at a preliminary stage, with sources telling me that Amazon is looking at a strategic 9.9% stake in Reliance Retail. Now, you've seen how Mukesh Ambani and the Jio platform have brought literally the who's who, the world's biggest corporations, into Jio platforms, whether it's a Google or Facebook or General Atlantic, Qualcomm, all of them invested in Jio platform. At the 43rd AGM, Mukesh Ambani signaled to 3 lakh shareholders that had tuned in live for his speech that a lot of action would be expected in Reliance Retail. And that's exactly what I'm now understanding, where the world's largest company, Amazon, the world's largest retailer, is looking at Reliance Retail. It wants preferential access and a strategic access, particularly to JioMart. JioMart is connecting Kirana stores across the country. It's also where WhatsApp is seeing a big role via the Facebook investment, but so is Amazon. Amazon is wanting preferential access because it can try and change how delivery is also done in India. Now, during COVID-19 and the pandemic, consumers have gotten used to on-day delivery. So if Amazon gets preferential access to it, strategic access to it, imagine what it can do with Amazon Fresh, what it can do with Amazon Pantry. So that's where the talks are at. It's at a preliminary stage. What is the valuation of Reliance Retail? Well, Morgan Stanley recently came out with a report saying that Reliance Retail is valued at about $29 billion. For the last financial year, we did see Reliance Retail having revenues of about $20 billion. So 9.9% strategic stake is what we're picking up at a preliminary stage. What I also find very interesting is that the genesis of this courtship is actually because of another transaction. And that is the Future Group transaction. As we all know and have been reading about recently, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Retail wants to take a controlling stake of Future Retail. Now, for that to become a reality, Amazon actually has to give a no objection certificate. And that's because Amazon enjoys the first right of refusal for Kishore Biyani's entire stake in Future Retail. In 2019, Amazon had done a deal with the promoter entity of Future Retail. It's called Future Coupons. It bought a 49% stake, and with that, it has a right of first refusal. So at first, Amazon was hesitant and didn't want to give the NOC. We understand from our sources that a slugfest has ensued, and that has actually led to these talks taking place where Amazon wants something much bigger if it's going to give a no objection certificate, and that much bigger that it's looking for is a piece of the action of Reliance Retail. Of course, we reached out to all the stakeholders. Amazon responded to ET Now's query saying it does not comment on rumors as well as speculation. Reliance Industries still has not commented to ET Now's questionnaire. I would also like to point out at this juncture that we broke the story in the late trading hours in the last 20 minutes or so, and we did see a spike in the Reliance Industries stock price. It did close at the day's high, but if you're just tuning in, it's the big story of the day. Jeff Bezos' Amazon in talks with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Retail for a strategic stake, almost of 9.9%. And it's going to really be up to the principal promoters to take this forward. Amazon will want comfort that with the presence of Google and Facebook and Jio platforms, and these are companies that Amazon competes with. How is it going to be comforted on that front? How is it going to feel comfortable that, yes, it can actually gain from this investment? Watch this space.